Take one. Brittany talking, Montauk, New York.
On this episode, we're on the east end of the Long Island Peninsula.
And I'm ready to have a drink.
Where we'll explore this cool little fisherman's village.
Oh, hey, there's a porta potty. I need to go pee. Stop!
Alright.
Don't leave me in here.
Tara has Reese and we're going day drinking.
That on? Guinea pig? Well, we've been day drinking again.
So let's see what we can get into. Welcome to Montauk, New York.
Now we're gonna go back and do some naked shots in the boat. You wanna do some naked shots?
Lovely. You're choking me.
I'm trying to get in there, like.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. Looking for something exciting, free, and real? If so, you found the right place. Meet Calypso, our floating home.
It's not working.
We're sailing her all over and taking you for the ride. Please click on subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
We've anchored just behind Montauk, New York, in a secluded little spot. The winds are expected to pick up tomorrow, so we took advantage of today's calm conditions and explored the area.
How was it?
Nice.
Good.
It got real shallow.
Yeah, it's pretty shallow anchorage.
Yeah, it is.
Have fun!
Daddy, guess what?
What?
The girl apron for you.
What?
Look at it. Here you go.
Hold on. Oh, the apron. That's funny.
She brought him an apron.
I brought chef hats for everybody and an apron for the grill master.
Nice.
Daddy's the girl master.
I'll put it on when I clean my hands.
What does it say?
This is going to be delicious.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay, I'll put it on. How do you like my hat?
I love it. That looks good on you. One day when you're lucky, baby, this is all I'll wear when I cook for you.
Ooh. When does that happen? Like on
When
an
he's
anniversary?
Oh, anytime. Reese sitting here.
I'll have to
Okay.
take him out on the town one night. We'll go play at the arcade or something.
You look great. I hope it's delicious.
You got a white one.
What's that? Oh man, look at that. That's nice. Wow.
Oh, you look good.
You rhymed too. You said we're the cooking crew.
Okay.
Come to our boat and we'll
Yeah,
cook
you look
something
good.
for you.
What?
You're good.
Did you?
He's like, what?
Did you hear his rhyme?
Go ahead.
Did you hear it? What did you say? You said we are the cooking crew. Come to our boat and we'll cook something for you.
That's good.
Daddy, you need to fit. There's where your tools go and stuff.
My tool is down there.
that's where your scrubbing thing goes and stuff in.
That's right.
Tara hasn't been with us too long, but she's fitting right in. Before we pull into a marina tomorrow, we decided to have a little cookout.
Is it hot?
It's good. I'm gonna roast it out. I like to clean it out and then roast it out. You know, to kill like whatever, burn some crap out, and then we'll throw the brats on.
We got some brats and a turkey burger for me. Went ahead and threw some asparagus and made like a little pouch. Throw on the grill, should make it easy. Tara made us some infused water. It's so pretty. Look at that. She infused the water with mint and cucumber.
You wanna try it?
Well, we just have to replace the water with moonshine.
Where did you
try
get
it?
the idea?
No, okay, go ahead.
I don't honestly remember. I've been doing it for a while. Oh, I know. Lowe's Foods, the grocery store,
Yeah.
they had infused water, and this was one of the kinds that they had. But I was like, well, because it's kind of expensive at the grocery store, and so I was like, that would be easy to do. So then I went online and looked and got these on Amazon. Amazon's great for everything.
Yeah, it really is.
Have you tried it?
Yeah, I've tried it before.
Well, no, I'm not gonna
No,
do it first.
you try it.
I don't want to do guinea pig.
I've
Sounds
tried
good.
it before.
Have
It's
you
good.
tried it?
No, go ahead.
It might not have a lot of flavor yet because we just recently put it in there.
No, there's no moonshine at all in this. That's good. It actually, yeah, it tastes. You can taste it.
Yeah.
Didn't you say you had to leave it overnight, or do you have to leave it in there for a certain
It
amount of
helps
time?
if you leave it for a while. Yeah. as you leave it, it gets more flavor.
And do you do it to flavor or for like vitamins?
I do it for flavor. It's also really refreshing, like on a hot day, which it's not very hot today, but on a hot day, it's really refreshing.
Nice. Can't wait to try mine.
It's a s'more night.
It's my first s'mores night like this. Oh, well, I'm waiting. Oh, he got his on fire.
Nice.
See, I get mine on fire.
Oh, Mama failed.
No, that's yeah. There you go.
Alright, come on.
Yours are done.
Yeah. I was going to do the boom thing, but I didn't know how you'd react to that.
Oh yeah.
Tara came aboard to be a nanny/school teacher to Reese and to work the boat from time to time. She's actually a teacher by trade, so that's great.
You don't have to blow it out, you can just go like that. Oh wait, no.
We were all getting to know each other, along with enjoying a stunning view.
Take one, Brittany talking, Montauk, New York.
I love that we're here. I watched this show called The Affair. I don't know, the name might get you. Look it up. I love it. I was addicted to it. And it was based, the storyline was based out of Montauk, and that's where we are. So I kept telling Jeremiah, oh, I just want to go to Montauk. I just want to go to Montauk, just because I love the show so much. He took me here, so I owe him a hug. The winds are gonna pick up and there's gonna be a little bit of a blow coming in. So we pulled in, tucked in nice and tight into a marina. Cute little town. You could walk here in 20 minutes from our marina. There's like some little restaurants, some little stores. It's kind of quiet, but the scenery is beautiful. The lighthouse seems to be the thing to see and do, so I hope that we get to make it out there today or tomorrow, but super excited and I'm ready to have a drink.
Located on the east end of Long Island, this major tourist destination has 6 state parks. It's famous for fishing, claiming to have more saltwater fishing records than any other port in the world. Located 20 miles off the Connecticut coast, it's home to the largest commercial and recreational fishing fleet in New York State. This was a long-needed mom and dad day. We were all about visiting some local bars for an ice-cold beverage or two.
I miss them, but this is okay.
Yeah. Everything's closed on Tuesday, the day that we happen to be here. So we are actually made a U-turn and we're heading back to the same spot we just came from.
Well, they're open and they have beer. Good beer, and they have a nice view.
So we tried a drink and left there and we're like, oh, let's go explore, and everything's closed because
So let's
it's
go back to
Tuesday.
the bar.
It all opens tomorrow on a Wednesday. We ended up right back at the same spot that we came from. Told you we would. He already finished his beer. Empty.
I was about to order another beer, but Brittany has told me we're going to another spot.
Yeah, well, there's a gentleman next to us and he told us about some spots to hit up in downtown Montauk, so I think we should head over there. But we did end up where we came from, just like I thought we would. Thank you for your cheesy smile. We went downtown and it's like,
She's on her phone.
yeah, we're trying to cross the street right now.
Waiting for her, but she's on her phone.
Jeremiah's like, hold my hand, we'll make it together.
Come on, chick.
Oh, there she goes. She can't manage her phone and walking, honey.
Oh.
It's hard.
Yeah. Plus, holding the beer.
I know, holding the beer. Wait, we're not holding hands anymore. That means I'm gonna die.
I was gonna grab your ass.
Jeez. Oh. Hey, there's a porta potty. I need to go pee.
Where?
Right over here. It's green. It's green.
Yeah, there's no lock. You can go.
All right, well, you take cover and
Good luck.
I'm gonna leave this out here.
A random porta potty.
Hold the door open.
Why?
Guys,
All right.
it's gross.
Good luck.
Kind of gross. No, don't close the door on me.
You're waving particles at me when you do that.
No, you stop.
All right.
Don't leave me in here. I can't pee. You're giving me stage fright. Honey,
Well, what do you mean stage fright? I'm right here.
Okay, oh wait, it's going. It won't go. Okay.
YouTube couple gets arrested for indecent Why do I even have a mask on? I didn't want to get the particles in my face. That's what it was.
No, why did you burn it with a mask?
Well, it's because I didn't want the particles in my face.
It's a little chilly.
Do you feel better? I'm gonna go ahead and piss at the restaurant that's 100 feet in front of us. Well, we've been day drinking again. We went out to explore, and oh, here comes the police department. Like, we have a report of a woman using a porta potty indecently.
They don't know nothing. They didn't even look at me. We're good.
You know. All right. So anyway, we went exploring and ended up bar hopping, and here we go again. We're going to a place called Muse in Montauk.
Muse was super nice as well. All in all, we found some great spots to belly up to the bar and talk with the friendly locals.
What'd you think of our outing?
I had a great time.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go back and do some naked shots in the boat. You wanna do some naked shots?
Hopefully. You're choking me.
I'm trying to get in there, like.
And not in a good way.
It's like a blood choke.
Yeah, like, everywhere we went, it seemed like everybody was a local, which is kind of cool for like the island
a lot of times
feel.
in these places, people are not local. They come in to work.
Yeah, so they're like native, like they were born here, raised here, and they stayed here. Oh, this reminds me of Jaws. We just watched Jaws the other night in Block Island where...
Could you imagine catching a fish this big?
No.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would swallow you whole.
Yeah. World's largest great white. 3,400 pounds. 1986.
So does that mean they haven't caught a great white as big as that since then?
I mean, probably not.
All right, so this is why we don't do bottom cleanings anymore.
Not up here.
In the Northeast. No, we don't do bottom cleanings. It's scary. And you can see what happens.
Look at all the bird shit on top of that house right there.
Well, Montauk was a success.
Beautiful place.
We haven't made it to the lighthouse quite yet, but maybe tomorrow we'll make it there.
Actually, we never made it there, but Tara did. She ended up running to the lighthouse.
Well, I'm on my run to the lighthouse, and I'm at the Montauk East Overlook. But as you can see, the views are gorgeous. I have, I think, about 2 miles or 3 miles left. After a little over 6 miles of walking, jogging, and running, I made it to the Montauk Point Lighthouse. Unfortunately, due to COVID, more than likely, they're closed. But it's still a gorgeous lighthouse, and the views surrounding it are pretty incredible as well.
The Montauk Point Lighthouse was the first lighthouse in New York State and is the 4th oldest active lighthouse in the United States. It's surrounded by lovely scenic views.
One of these days we're gonna have to put those in the fridge and drink them.
Yeah, let's do that. That sounds great. Do you want to do a shot of this?
Yeah.
We want a shot of this.
I want the citrus.
All right, we got a captain, we got a crew, and a crew. So, what do you guys want, a single or a double?
Single.
I'm with a bunch of ladies, but okay.
Coming soon on the Lazy Geckos.
Can we do 1 oyster? Thank you.
Oh.
This is not water. Go back to sleep? Yeah.
Like this. Do you know how to get out of this if you needed to?
That is bad. My favorite part was probably the stripper pole.
Come up for your butt. Put it right under your butt.
Pretty yucky day to come back into New York.
I'm not talking.
I'm not talking either. We traded in our other cameras today.
Shelter Island is exactly how it sounds, a sheltered island.
Check the belt, make sure it's tight.
Tara's first time putting out the head sail. The trickiest part about the freezer, somebody has to go in head first.
How is it in there?
Ready for this? No. Luck on your first cruising adventure. Thank you. We found this sweet brewery walking on Shelter Island.
Greenport chicken and Q.
What are you doing?
You see him glowing?
Yeah.
The thing is, there's no power to us all right now.
Tell this story.
Well, so they say that when you anchor off of our island, lights will flicker on your boat.
Times Square feels really good.
Yeah.
I just upset the captain. I'm
Did
sorry
drop
for
the
upsetting
anchor and
you.
we're moving at 5 knots.
Well, let's sit down and we can talk about it.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.